Okay, I'm rebooting. I'm going to go into my BIOS as soon as that digital number changed to A2. Okay, now we're going into BIOS. We're into BIOS. I'm going to go up here to boot. Come on, boot. Oh, why isn't it changing? Come on, there. I'm going to go down here because I have this thumb drive right here, and it's got AV MX Linux Enlightened. It's on the Lexar USB. I'm going to tell it to boot from that. Move my drink, stuff out of the way here. Oh, great, that looks good. All right. So I know I have all these options down here. And I know there's persistence, but I want to install it on my hard drive. So in order to get to that, I got to get this AVL MXC base 23.5 to launch. I'm going to hit my enter key to launch it. Loading. Looks good, looks good. And then this is what happens. And that's it. That's how we end up, just like that. That's as far as it goes. So I don't understand this because last week I launched this and it opened up and I got to try out the operating system for a whole day and I loved it. So I decided to install it, and I installed it on my M2 drive, and we'll try that next.